how to tell which lipstick color will look good on you. Hi, my name is Jan, and today we're going to be looking at how to choose the correct lip color for you. So first of all, we have to look at what skin tone or undertone do you have. So we can break this down into 3 camps: cool undertone, warm undertone, and a neutral. So a very simple way of doing this is, if you are a cool undertone, you will look super in blues and pinks. They'll make you come alive. And you also look good in silver jewelry. If you have a warm undertone, you will look great in gold jewelry. And a bright green will look great. Anything with orange undertones, yellow undertones will look super on you. And if you're neutral, you can go either way. So what you're looking for in lipstick, if you are a cool undertone, and beware that of Caucasian women or people, 60% are usually cool undertone. So if you're a cool undertone, you will want to look for lipsticks that are basically pink based and have a blue tinge to them. Now, unfortunately, most mineral makeup companies work with oxides, and they are basically making lipsticks that work best on warm, undertoned skinned people. So when I took over the company Profess, for example, I couldn't wear any of the lipsticks. I think there was just one I could wear, the Scarlet. But they were all orange based, so they all had a reddish, rusty undertone to them. So this is great for people who have warm skin undertones. And I'm going to show you some pictures of me with the warm undertone lipsticks on, and you can see how they wash me right out, and also some pictures of me with some cool undertone lipsticks. So in our range, we have a lipstick I bought out immediately, a pink, baby pink lipstick and a Come Here lipstick, which are great for cool undertone skin. So they're pinks which have a blue undertone, and they always make my face come alive. Later on, I came out with the Make Kate collection. And this is a nude, a sun-kissed, and a coral pink. And they are basically neutral, but I find that I can wear them as well. So if you're looking for a nude, which is usually the in lipstick at the moment, if you're cool, you want to find a nude that has a slight pink base to it. So today, for example, I have my Coral Flare lipstick on, and I also have the nude lipstick on the center. But if I just wore the nude, it'd be too light for my skin. But on May Kate, who has a darker skin, she looks great in the nude. Her hair is dark, her skin is darker, and the nude lipstick looks super on her. So if you have a skin tone like mine, I look best in the pinks and the corally pinks. If you've got dark hair and you are a cool undertone, then you look great in blue reds. And then if you're warm undertone, you look great in those rusty red, like for example, I bought out something called Hollywood Red, which looks great on redheads. And then we have things like cinnamon type lipsticks, and spice, and the peachy color, and pink pearl, tea rose. They are all good for warm toned skins. So here are some pictures of me in the baby pink lipstick. and then pictures of me in the golden nude and other colors. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe below and leave any comments you would like to leave. Thank you very much for listening.